I still remember your number, can say those digits by heart. With that first drink of the summer, I think about where you are. I dial 235, are you alive? How I miss our late night drives and 4, 6, how was it? In my mind I flip a switch and 7-2, forgetting you is something I can't seem to do. Even though we were just kids, I close my eyes, I'm waiting for the lightning strike to knock me back to 2005, before you took that cross-country flight, before we said goodbye. I still remember the house now, heart beating out of my chest, and walking up to your front door, I can still see the address. I dialed 235, are you alive? How I miss our late night drives and 4, 6, how was it? That in my mind I flip a switch and 7-2, forgetting you is something I can't seem to do. Even though we were just kids, I close my eyes, I'm waiting for the lightning strike to take me back to 2005, before you took that cross-country flight, before we said goodbye. I close my eyes, I'm waiting for the lightning strike to take me back to 2005, before you took that cross-country flight, before we said goodbye. Even when the heart gets going, even when I've lost all control, I know that you're calling me to you. It doesn't matter where I've been, this love isn't based on what I've done. Jesus, let your love take over me. Till the life runs out, I will sing with all of my heart. Still your praise I'll shout from the morning until nightfall. I'm drawing in closer. You make me laugh, you make me laugh. I'm drawing in closer to you. Despite all my best intentions, I always seem to come up short, but I cannot escape your grace, oh God. Because of your relentless pursuit,